If you have a tablet and you might be bored with the UI experience and want some Windows UI experience, this video is for you. You can transform the actual UI experience with this launcher. But keep in mind, this is not an actual Windows OS, it is just a launcher. However, some things are not the same as all other launchers. For a good experience in multitasking, this launcher gives you some advanced app and feature support like Notepad, File Manager, Taskbar features, and most importantly, an actual PC level Chrome browser that always opens any website in desktop mode. Pretty awesome, right? So without wasting any time, let us move to the actual install and launcher experience. For installing the app, just open the Play Store and search for Hyperdroid. Here you will see the Hyperdroid PC Launcher. Just install it. After installing, just open it. Here you will see an actual warning from the developer stating that this is not a Windows OS and not a Windows 365 cloud service. Just click on I understand. Seeing the UI, it feels like Windows. All the UI and elements are inspired by the Windows 11 UI. In the side corner, you have the control center where you can adjust Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and the volume panel, but the brightness slider is missing. The side calendar is also there. If you want to set this launcher as default, open settings and click on default launcher. Just turn on enable as launcher and in choose app. Choose Hyperdroid. In the start menu, you can click on show all apps to switch to your full list. And now you are able to open apps from here. You can also add any app to the desktop and open it from there. If you want to add apps to the taskbar, yes, you can do that by right-clicking and pinning them. Now if you click on the file manager, first just allow the permissions. Then you can use the file manager as well. And the best part is that here you can open any images and videos the same as the Windows file manager. In the sidebar, all shortcut folders are pinned just like Windows for fast switching. You can open any file properties or rename them, everything. Now let us move to the actually impressive app, the Chrome browser. The feature of this browser is that you can open any website in desktop mode by default. You can open many tabs, and the best part is you can install any website as an application, rename them and just install. Only one thing is missing, which is extension support. If it gets added in the future, it will be the best tablet launcher as well. The advantage of this browser is that if you are researching something, you can open Notepad, the browser and the file manager at the same time. You can also play any video in max quality. Another advantage is you can play any song and open or minimize the browser and the song will not pause, just like a PC. Except if you open any installed app, the sound will stop while the app runs, but after closing the app, the sound will start running again. In the display settings, you can scale up or down if you feel the UI is a little small or big. You can change the orientation. Also, if you do not like the navigation buttons, you can hide them and it feels more like Windows. You can also show or hide the status bar. Also, if you want to enable the double click option, you can. If you write a note, you can save it as well, just like Windows. You can also change its background in the personalization settings and adjust the quality. In the account section, you can change your name and add a profile pic. In the taskbar settings, you can hide the search icon, widgets and set the start alignment to the left. Now you can add more apps to the taskbar. And in the about section, you can give it a star rating. After using this launcher, I was really impressed by the developer who made it. I have two suggestions. If the browser supports extensions and if all apps are able to run in windowed mode, this launcher would be the best for every Android tablet user who does not have a desktop mode. So Yeah, that is it for today's video. If you like this type of content, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Stay tuned.